Hey guys, it's me, Simply Wendy, and welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing well. Today I have for you this gorgeous bob. You know I love bobs and I love a messy bob as well. So this bob right here, love, and it is by Motown Tress. The name of it is called FARA. And I picked it up in the color F1B30. So here is what FARA is looking like on the stock card. So pretty. That blonde is so pretty on her. Let me give you guys the specs on FARA. This unit comes with 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, plus the adjustable strap. That is a parting space that you get with this unit. I did, however, go in and pluck just a few hairs from the front out of that parting space. And I went in and I added my foundation as well. You can put heat to this hair if you choose to. This unit is a big head friendly. I am experiencing quite a bit of shedding with this unit. This is a silky textured unit and I'm experiencing quite a bit of shedding with this unit. I'm really loving this curly bob, but every time I run my fingers through it, I feel hair dropping on my skin, which I hate, but something that we all must deal with, unfortunately. I love the luster on this unit. The luster on this unit is natural. So one thing that I'm going to have to do with this unit is use my flat iron and curling iron to lay the crown area a little flat because it is a little humpy, and we don't like humpage because humpage makes it look like a wig and we don't want it to look like a wig. So I am going to have to go in with my curling iron or just tie it down so that this area can stay flat. Besides the shedding and besides the humpage, this unit is a yes for me. I love a messy bob. I love a messy bob. If you've seen my review on it was a Bobby Boss unit that I just reviewed, and that was a red messy bob unit. Gave me life. If you haven't seen that video, what are you waiting for? Go on over and watch it. I'll definitely leave it here in the video so you can go see it. But that gave me life, and you know, I'm just wishing summer upon myself because with this New York City weather and this, we don't have a spring. We haven't had a spring, so I'm just wishing summer upon me. And with me wishing summer upon me, I am stocking up on these bob units because that's all I wear in the summer, and these bob units are life. This is so pretty. I will definitely see you guys in a next video. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and follow me on Instagram. Don't know what you're doing with yourself if you're not following me on Instagram, but definitely follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you guys later. It's me, Simply Wendy, signing out.